Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn some of the problems. If you didn't watch my previous video, the link is in the description, watch it. So the question is, show that cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sine of pi by 4 minus x into sine of pi by 4 minus y is equals to sine of x plus y. So first I will simplify this pi by 4. Pi by 4, it is in radian form. I am converting this to degrees. In the place of pi, substitute 180 divided by 4. So we will get 45 degrees. Now in the given question, in the place of pi by 4, I am substituting 45 degrees. So we will get cos of 45. In the place of pi by 4, I am substituting 45 minus x into cos of, in the place of pi by 4, 45 minus y minus sine of 45 minus x into sine of 45 minus y. Now if we observe this clearly, cos 45 minus x into cos 45 minus y minus sin 45 minus x into sin 45 minus y. If I am taking this 45 minus x as a and 45 minus y as b. So now this is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is nothing but cos of a plus b. In the place of a, 45 minus x. In the place of b, 45 minus y. So this is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now let us write that in the form of cos of a plus b. So cos of a is nothing but 45 minus x. 45 minus x plus b. B is nothing but 45 minus y. 45 minus y, which is equals to cos of 45 plus 45, 90 minus x minus y, which is equals to cos of 90. From minus x minus y, I am taking minus common, so we remains with x plus y. So now this is in the form of cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta, sin theta. So cos of 90 minus x plus y will become sin of x plus y. Hence proved. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. Show that tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x is equals to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. So same here also, pi by 4 is in the radians. I am converting this to degrees. In the place of pi, write 180 by 4, which is equals to 45 degrees. So tan of 45 plus x divided by tan of 45 minus x. Now if we observe the numerator, tan of 45 plus x, it is in the form of tan of a plus b. So tan of a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So this tan of 45 plus x is in the form of tan of a plus b. So now if we expand this, tan of 45 plus x can be written as tan 45 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan x whole divided by, If you observe this denominator, tan of 45 minus x, it is in the form of tan of a minus b. So tan of a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So I will expand this tan of 45 minus x. So we will get tan 45 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan 45 tan x. Tan 45, it is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into tan x whole divided by tan 45 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 into tan x. So this total numerical part I will write as it is, that is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into this total denominator part will become reciprocal, that is 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x, which is equals to 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x whole square. So here for the numerator square is there, for the denominator square is there. So if we simplify still further, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square, which is the RHS, hence proved. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. Show that cos of pi plus x into cos of minus x whole divided by sin of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x is equals to cot square x. In the place of pi, I am substituting 180 degrees. So we get cos of 180 plus x into cos of minus x. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So the same way cos of minus x can be written as cos x whole divided by sin of, in the place of pi 180 minus x into cos of, in the place of pi 180, so 180 by 2 90 plus x. Cos of 180, write it as a product of 90, so 2 into 90 plus x into cos x whole divided by sin of 180, right, a product of 90, again same 2 into 90 minus x, then cos of 90, right, a product of 90, 1 into 90 plus x. Here 2 is an even number, so trigonometric ratio won't change. Here it is cos, so here also it will be cos only, cos x. But we need to concentrate on the symbol, whether it is minus cos x or plus cos x. So for that 180 plus x, 180 plus x will be there in the which quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is positive or negative? Negative. So we will get minus cos x into this cos x as it is, whole divided by, here also we multiplied with 2. 2 is an even number, so trigonometric ratio won't change, so it is sin x. Whether it is plus sin x or minus sin x, let us check. What is 180 minus x? 180 minus x lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive, so only sin x into, here we multiplied with 1. 1 is an odd number. Whenever we are multiplying with odd number, the trigonometric ratio will change. Cos will become sin x. Whether it is plus x or sin x, it is 90 plus x. 90 plus x means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is positive or negative? Negative. So this will become minus. Here in the numerator minus, in the denominator minus will get cancelled. So we remains with cos x into cos x, cos square x divided by sin x into sin x, sin square x is equals to cos square x divided by sin square x is nothing but cot square x. Hence proved. Okay, let's check the next question. Show that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos of 2 pi plus x into cot of 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 pi plus x is equals to 1. So first I will change the radians to degrees. So wherever I have pi, I will substitute 180 degrees. So we will get cos of 3 into 180 divided by 2 plus x into cos of 2 into 180 plus x times of cot of 3 into 180 by 2 minus x plus cot of 2 into 180 plus x. So if we do simplification, 2 ones are 2 90s are, so we get cos of 3 into 90 270 plus x into cos of 2 into 180 360 plus x times of 2 ones are 2 90s are 3 into 90 270. So cot of 270 minus x plus cot of 2 into 180 360 plus x. Okay, next cos of this 270, write it as a product of 90, that is 3 into 90 plus x into cos of 360, write as a product of 90, that is 4 into 90 plus x times of cot of 270, write a product of 93 into 90 minus x plus cot of 360, write a product of 90, that is 4 into 90 plus x. Here 3 is an odd number, so cos will become sin x. Then what about the symbol? 270 plus x, 270 plus fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant cos is positive, yes, then it will be sin x only. Next, here 4 is even number, so cos will be cos as it is, cos x. Then what about the symbol? 360 plus x, 360 plus x is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant cos is positive times of, here 3 is odd number, so cot will change to tan x. Then what about the symbol? 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta, third quadrant. In the third quadrant cot is positive, so plus tan x. Next, here 4 is even number, so cot will be cot only as it is, cot x. Then plus or minus symbol, 360 plus theta, first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive, so this is also plus. So now what I am doing, this total outside I will multiply with first term, total outside I will multiply with the second term. So we get sin x cos x into tan x, sin x cos x into tan x plus total outside into second term, that is sin x cos x into cot x. Now sin x cos x I am writing as it is, that is sin x into cos x. Tan x I am writing it as sin x by cos x plus sin x cos x as it is, cot x I am writing it as cos x by sin x. If we observe cos x cancel, sin x cancel, so we remains with sin x into sin x, sin square x, plus cos x into cos x, cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So hence proved. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. Show that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equals to minus root 2 times sin x. If we observe this total 3 pi by 4 plus x I am considering as A, and 3 pi by 4 minus x I am considering as B. So we get one formula, cos A minus cos B. So the formula for cos A minus cos B is minus 2 times sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. This is the formula for cos A minus cos B. So let us solve now. Equals to minus 2 into sin into, in the place of A, 3 pi by 4 plus x. 3 pi by 4 plus x, plus in the place of B, 3 pi by 4 minus x. 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. A value is 3 pi by 4 plus x. 3 pi by 4 plus x minus, see here we are applying minus, so every term will change the symbol. Plus 3 pi by 4 will become minus 3 pi by 4, minus x will become plus x divided by 2. Here plus x minus x cancel, plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 cancel. So we remains with minus 2 times sin of 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 whole divided by 2 into sin x plus x, 2x divided by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. Next, minus 2 into sin. If we observe this numerical part, both the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. 3 pi plus 3 pi, 6 pi divided by 4 whole divided by 2 into sin x. Now this 4 will come to the down, so we will get minus 2 sin 6 pi by 4 into 2, 8 into sin x. If you do cancellation, 2 4s are 2 3s are. If you do simplification, 2 3s are 2 4s are, so we remains with minus 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Now here pi is in radians, I will convert this to degrees, so in the place of pi I will substitute 180. Minus 2 sin into 3 into 180 divided by 4 times sin x. 4 ones are 445s are, minus 2 sin into 3 into 45, 135 times sin x. Now let us simplify this. Sin 135, sin 135. I am writing this 135 as 90 plus 45. Here sin of, write this 90 as a product of 90, nothing but 190s plus 45. Here 1 is an odd number, so sin will become cos 45. Next, whether it is plus 45 plus cos 45 or minus cos 45. Sin 135 lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sin is positive, so this is also positive. So cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. So we have here minus 2 into sin 135 into sin x, minus 2 as it is, sin 135 1 by root 2 into sin x as it is equals to this minus as it is 2. I will write it as root 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x. root 2 cancel, so we remains with minus root 2 into sin x. Okay, the next question is, prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equals to sine 2x sine 10x. Now the given question, if you observe the LHS, it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So the same way, sine square 6x minus sine square 4x can be written as sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now if we observe these two here, sin 6x plus sin 4x, this is in the form of sin a plus sin b. Sin 6x minus sin 4x, it is in the form of sin a minus sin b. What is the formula for sin a plus sin b? Sin a plus sin b is equals to 2 times sin of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. Whereas sin a minus sin b is equals to 2 cos of a plus b by 2 times sin of a minus b by 2. So here in the place of a we have 6x, in the place of b we have 4x. Let us substitute those in the place of a and b. Okay, here sin 6x plus sin 4x is in the form of sin a plus sin b. So let us apply it. So sin a plus sin b formula is 2 into sin of a plus b by 2. Here a is 6x plus b is 4x divided by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, 6x minus 4x by 2. This is for sin a plus sin b. Then still we have sin a minus sin b also. So for that also we are writing sin a minus sin b is nothing but 2 into cos of a plus b by 2, 6x plus 4x. 6x plus 4x by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2, that is 6x minus 4x by 2. So we get 2 into sin of 6x plus 4x 10x by 2 times of cos of 6x minus 4x 2x by 2 into 2 cos of 6x plus 4x 10x by 2 into sin of 6x minus 4x 2x by 2. Let us check for simplification. 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 cancel. So I remained with 2 sin 5x, 2 sin 5x into, here one more cos 5x is there, I am writing that cos 5x. Then remaining, here 2 is there, 2 as it is, sin x cos x. Now if we observe this answer, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to sin 2 theta. Here in the place of theta we have 5x. So we will get sin into 2 into 5x 10x times of, again this is 2 sin x cos x, as it is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin x cos x will become sin 2x. Hence proved. Before going into the next problem, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe. Okay, the next question is, prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equals to sin 4x into sin 8x. Same like the previous problem. Here, this cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is in the form of a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So this cos square 2x minus cos square 6x can be written as cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. Again, if we observe, this is in the form of cos A plus cos B. This is in the form of cos A minus cos B. So what is the formula for cos A plus cos B? Cos A plus cos B is equals to 2 into cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, whereas cos A minus cos B is equals to minus 2 into sin of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. Now, here in the place of A we have 2x, in the place of B we have 6x. So, let us substitute in the formula now. Okay, so we have cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. This is cos A plus cos B, this is cos A minus cos B. So, let us apply. First, cos A plus cos B is nothing but 2 into cos of A plus B by 2. Here A is 2x plus B is 6x by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, that is 2x minus 6x by 2. This total is for cos A plus cos B. Then again cos 2x minus cos 6x is there, that is cos A minus cos B. So if I apply for that, for simplification or else for easy understanding, I am keeping multiplication symbol. So cos A minus cos B formula is minus 2 into sin of A plus B by 2, that is 2x plus 6x by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2, that is 2x minus 6x by 2. So we get 2 into cos of 2x plus 6x 8x by 2 into cos of 2x minus 6x by 2, that is minus 4x by 2 into minus 2 sin of 2x plus 6x 8x by 2 into sin of 2x minus 6x minus 4x by 2. First I will check for any simplification. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we remains with 2 cos 4x into cos of minus 2x into minus 2 sin 4x into sin of minus 2x. Already we know one formula, cos of minus theta plus cos theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So we get 2 cos 4x cos of minus 2x plus cos 2x into sin of minus 2x is minus sin 2x. Here already we have minus, so minus minus will become plus. So 2 times sin 4x into sin 2x. Now simple by arranging the terms, I will write 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. Here 2 is there, that 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Sin 2x cos 2x. Now if we observe this total, it is in the form of 2 sin A cos B. So sin 2A, sin 2 into 4x, 8x into 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta, sin 2 into 2x, 4x. So is sin 8x into sin 4x, hence proved. Okay, let's take the next question. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 into sin 4x plus sin 6x is equals to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So, the left side, simply I will arrange some terms. Sin 2x as it is. Then I will write plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x. Now if we observe these two terms, it is in the form of sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B, 2 times sin of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. In the place of A, 2x. In the place of B, 6x. Let us apply in the formula. So the formula we have is 2 into sin of A plus B by 2, that is 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, that is 2x minus 6x by 2 plus third term as it is I am writing 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x. Now 2 into sin of 2x plus 6x, 8x divided by 2 into cos of 2x minus 6x minus 4x divided by 2 plus 2 into sin 4x. If we do simplification, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we remains with 2 into sin 4x into cos of minus 2x, cos of minus theta plus cos theta, so cos 2x plus 2 into sin 4x. In this total term, 2 into sin 4x is there. In the second term also 2 into sin 4x is there. So I am taking that 2 into sin 4x common. So here 2 sin 4x completed, so we remains with cos 2x, cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x completed, so we remains with 1. Now what I will do, this outside as it is I will write, that is 2 into sin 4x into, here I will write the cos 2 theta formula. So cos 2x, 2 cos square x minus 1. Here already plus 1 is there, so that plus 1 as it is. Minus 1 plus 1 will both will get cancelled, so we remains with 2 sin 4x into 2 cos square x. 2 into 2, 4 cos square x into sin 4x, hence proved. Okay, the next question is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equals to cot of sin 5x minus sin 3x. So first I am taking the LHS. Cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. So if we observe this, it is in the form of sin A plus sin B. So I am writing this outside one, that is cot 4x as it is into, I will apply here sin A plus sin B formula. Sin A plus sin B, 2 into sin of A plus B by 2, that is 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, that is 5x minus 3x by 2. Cot 4x into 2 times sine of 5x plus 3x 8x divided by 2 into cos of 5x minus 3x 2x divided by 2. 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2 fours are, so we remains with cot 4x into 2 sine 4x into cos x. Here this cot 4x I will write it as cos 4x divided by sin 4x into 2 times sin 4x into cos x. Sin 4x will get cancelled, so we remains with 2 into cos 4x into cos x. 2 into cos 4x into cos x. Okay, now if we observe the RHS, in the RHS we have cot x, but whereas in this I don't have any cot x, so what I will do, I will use this cos x. So I am writing this 2 into cos 4x as it is. For this cos x, I will multiply and divide by sin x. Because cos x divided by sin x, we will get cot x. Cos x divided by sin x is cot x into 2 times cos 4x into sin x. This cos x by sin x I took outside, so sin x as it is, 2 cos 4x as it is. Now if we observe this inside, it is exactly in the form of sin a minus sin b formula. Sin a minus sin b, the formula is 2 into cos of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Those a and b are 5 and 3. So this can be simplified as cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So this is equals to RHS, hence proved. Okay, the next question is, show that cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equals to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. If we observe the numerator, that is cos 9x minus cos 5x, it is in the form of cos a minus cos b. Cos a minus cos b is nothing but minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2, where a means 9x, b means 5x. In the denominator, sin 17x minus sin 3x, if we observe, it is in the form of sin a minus sin b. Sin a minus sin b, 2 times cos of a plus b by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Now let us apply. So this cos 9x minus cos 5x can be written as minus 2 into sin of a plus b, that is 9x plus 5x, 14x divided by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2, 9x minus 5x, 4x by 2 whole divided by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2, 17 plus 3, 20x by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2, sin of a minus b, 17 minus 3, 14x divided by 2. So if we observe this, in the numerator we have sine 14x by 2, in the denominator also sine 14x by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. So if we do minus sine 4x by 2, sine 4x by 2 divided by cos 20x by 2. Still if we do simplification, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 tens are. So we remains with minus sine 2x divided by cos 10x. This is the RHS. Hence proved. Okay, the next question is sine 5x plus sine 3x whole divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x. If we observe the numerator sine 5x plus sine 3x, it is in the form of sine A plus sine B. Sine A plus sine B is nothing but 2 sine of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. If we observe the denominator, that is cos 5x plus cos 3x, that is in the form of cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B is equals to cos A plus cos B 2 times cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Let us apply in that. In the place of A, 5x, in the place of B, 3x. So sine 5x plus sine 3x can be written as 2 into sine of A plus B, 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2 into cos of A minus B, 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2 whole divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x, 2 into cos of A plus B, 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2. In the numerator 2, in the denominator 2 cancel. Here cos 2x by 2, here cos 2x by 2 cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we remains with sin 4x divided by cos 4x. Sin 4x divided by cos 4x is nothing but tan 4x. Hence proved. The next question is, prove that sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equals to tan of x minus y by 2. It is direct formula. Sin x minus sin y is nothing but 2 into cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Sin of x minus y by 2 whole divided by cos x plus cos y is nothing but 2 times cos of x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. Here 2 cancel, cos of x plus y by 2, cos of x plus y by 2 cancel. So we remains with sin of x minus y by 2 divided by cos of x minus y by 2. Sin of x minus y by 2 divided by cos of x minus y by 2 is nothing but tan of x minus y by 2. Hence proved. Okay, the next question is, prove that sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equals to tan 2x. Sin x plus sin 3x is in the form of sin a plus sin b. So sin a plus sin b is equals to 2 sin of a plus b by 2 times cos of a minus b by 2. The same way in the denominator. In the denominator we have cos x plus cos 3x, which is in the form of cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b is equals to 2 cos of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. So let us apply that. In the place of a, x; in the place of b, 3x. So sin x plus sin 3x is equals to 2 sin of a plus b, that is x plus 3x. X plus 3x, 4x divided by 2 into cos of a minus b, x minus 3x whole divided by, by 2. 2 into cos of a plus b by 2, x plus 3x, 4x by 2 times cos of a minus b by 2, that is x minus 3x by 2. Here in the numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. Cos of x minus 3x by 2, cos of x minus 3x by 2 cancel. So we remains with sin of 4x by 2 divided by cos of 4x by 2. So sin of 4x by 2 divided by cos of 4x divided by 2 is nothing but tan of 4x by 2. If we do simplification, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the final answer is tan 2x. Hence proved. The next question is, prove that sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equals to 2 into sin x. If we observe the numerator sin x minus sin 3x, it is in the form of sin a minus sin b. Sin a minus sin b, where a is equals to x and b is equals to 3x. So sin a minus sin b formula is 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. So if we apply that, 2 into cos of, in the place of a, x only as it is, plus, I will write here AB. In the place of b, 3x divided by 2 into sin of x minus 3x by 2. So divided by sin square x minus cos square x. We have cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here cos square theta minus sin square theta is the original formula, but we have in reverse sin square theta minus cos square theta. So what I will do, I will take minus common from the denominator. Then minus cos square x will become plus cos square x, plus sin square x will become minus sin square x. Now numerator I am solving. 2 into cos of x plus 3x, 4x divided by 2 into sin of x minus 3x minus 2x divided by 2 whole divided by minus cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So cos square x minus sin square x is nothing but cos 2x. which is equals to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 2 cancel. So we remains with 2 into cos 2x into sine of minus theta minus sine theta. So minus will be there and sine x divided by minus cos 2x. Minus minus cancel, here cos 2x cancel. So we remains with number 2 into sine x. Hence proved. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.